Hi there, everyone. Today, let's talk about quantum cryptography, a super cool way to keep our messages safe using some fancy science. So, let's start. First, we have introduction. Quantum cryptography uses the rules of quantum mechanics to make communication secure. Its goal is to create communication channels that are safe from quantum attacks. Okay. First off, what is quantum mechanics? It is just a fancy way of saying we are looking at really tiny stuff like atoms and photons. They behave in ways that seem a bit like magic, but we can use their tricks to make sure our messages stay safe from snoops. Okay. So why do we need quantum cryptography? Well, think about all the stuff we do online nowadays, from sending emails to buying stuff. Sometimes the usual way we keep our info safe, like passwords, are not enough. That's where quantum cryptography comes in handy. It gives us an extra layer of security that is really hard to crack. Okay, so we have discussed quantum mechanics, the need of quantum cryptography, growing need for secure communication, traditional methods are vulnerable, how quantum cryptography works, and detection of hacking attempts. We'll discuss about quantum cryptography, quantum key distribution, quantum communication networks, quantum cryptography versus traditional cryptography, what are the challenges, real world application, the future of quantum cryptography. So what is quantum cryptography? Imagine we are sending secret messages using teeny tiny particles that are so delicate anyone trying to sneak a peek would mess them up. That is a basic idea. By using these particles, we can create special or secret codes and keys that keeps our messages safe from prying. Okay, so let's take a closer look at quantum key distribution. Quantum key distribution is a fundamental of cryptography. It is a method of transmitting secure digital keys over a distance that is protected by quantum mechanics. Okay, it's like making a secret code that is so unique and random nobody else could ever guess it. Even if someone tries to grab the code while it is being sent, would end up changing it in a way that we would notice right away. It's like trying to catch up soap bubble, it just pops. Okay, this makes quantum cryptography virtually unbreakable, as any attempt to intercept the key will alter it, and the receiver will immediately know that the key has been compromised. Next, we have one-time pad. One-time pad method act as a super secure way to lock up our messages. It is tough for anyone to unlock without the right key, but we have to share that key beforehand. Okay. The one-time method is very good encryption method because there is a logical or mathematical way to decode the messages other than just knowing the random key. Okay, the only drawback is that you have to share the random key beforehand. Okay, so next we have photon polarization. What is photon? A photon is a tiny particle of light. And what is polarization? Polarization, the direction in which the photon vibrates. How photon polarization is used in quantum cryptography. Photons are used to carry and transmit secret information by changing their polarization. Their unique property: if someone tries to intercept the photons, its polarization changes, means its direction changes, alerting the sender and ensuring secure communication. Okay. So photon polarization is another cool trick. Picture photons as tiny bits of light carrying secret messages. By changing their direction, we keep our communication safe. If someone tries to mess with them, we will catch them in the act. Okay, so let's discuss about this model. Huge thanks to Charles Edge and Gilles Bressert for their awesome work on the PB84 protocol, which helped make quantum cryptography possible. Okay, so let's discuss why quantum cryptography is future-proof. In the future, quantum cryptography will keep getting better, making our digital world safer. Even though there are some challenges like cost and making everything work together, the benefits are huge. Okay, so let's discuss about quantum communication networks. Quantum communication networks are a set of interconnected devices that use quantum cryptography to ensure secure communication. These networks use quantum cryptography to transmit the encryption keys securely, ensuring that the data transmitted over the network is protected. For example, banks can use quantum communication networks to protect their financial transactions. Okay, so now let's compare quantum cryptography versus traditional cryptography. Quantum cryptography uses laws of quantum mechanics with particle behaviors for encryption, but traditional cryptography relies on mathematical algorithms and computational method for encryption, while the quantum cryptography provides virtually unbreakable security due to quantum properties. The traditional cryptography security can be compromised with advanced computing and algorithms. Quantum cryptography detects of any attempt to intercept the data, making hacking detectable, vulnerable to various cyber attacks and interception methods. So let's discuss about the application of quantum cryptography. Quantum cryptography has a wide range of potential application, including securing transactions, securing financial transactions, protecting military communications, or any government secrets. Banks and financial institutions can utilize quantum cryptography to secure online transactions, ensuring the protection of customers' sensitive information. Military organizations can employ quantum cryptography to transmit sensitive information securely. Okay, that was the application of quantum cryptography. Okay, next we have quantum communications future. The future of quantum cryptography increasing popularity. Quantum cryptography is gaining popularity as a promising solution to security issues with the rise of computer technology. Unbreakable encryption. It leverages the principle of quantum mechanics to create an encryption system that is virtually unbreakable. Growing secure concerns. With the rising number of cyber attacks and data breaches, the demand for enhanced security measures is more urgent than ever. Next, we have advancement in quantum cryptography. The field of quantum cryptography is continuously evolving, with new advancements being made every day. NQGM is collaborating with researchers and developers to push the boundaries of quantum cryptography technology. So next we have challenges and opportunities. Let's discuss what are the challenges. Making quantum cryptography cheaper and easier to use. Adapting to fast charging technology and threats. Ensuring compatibility with existing communication systems. Okay, so what are the opportunities in quantum cryptography? Enhancing security for banks, military and online transactions, revolutionizing industries with secure communication needs. Third, we have advancing research to overcome current limitations and improve scalability. So there you have it. Quantum cryptography in a nutshell is it's like having a secret agent guarding our messages, making sure they stay safe from the bad guys. How cool is that? If you have any question, you can contact me right away.